You've been told to hustle, to build a brand before you even know what you're selling, to be louder, flashier, more convincing. But what if the system was never built for people like us? This is my first video about HBA. I haven't promoted it, I haven't earned from it, but I've studied it. And what I've found deserves to be shared from day one. This is the Home Business Academy Review 2025. Is it legit? Worth it, and how much can you earn? And I'm going to walk you through what it is, how it works, and why I chose it before ever even promoting it. Stick around to the end because I'll reveal the one overlooked feature that turns this into a compounding income stream even if you only share it once. It's not hype, it's leverage, and it's built for quiet builders. If you want to follow along, the overview link is below. Open in a new tab. I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's start with what HBA actually is. It's a $25 a month platform that gives you a funnel builder, training, and a community. But it's not just tools. It's a system designed to help beginners start earning residual income online. No upsells, no bait and switch, just a clean, simple process. Most people quit before they ever even begin. Funnels, tech, branding, it's noisy. HBA removes the clutter. No selling conversations, no branding pressure, no complicated setup, no chasing. It's plug and play. It's built for beginners like you. It's designed to help you start even if you've never promoted anything online. This is my first step with HBA. I haven't promoted yet, and I'm not claiming results. I'm sharing this because I want to build something that lasts. I've studied the system. I'm using the system. I've seen how it's structured, and I believe it's worth documenting from day one. If you're still watching, you already know this isn't hype. Drop a comment, freedom over flash. I'll reply with a resource that fits your style. Let's talk about what this makes this different. Most affiliate programs pay one time. You make a sale, get paid, and start over. HBA is different. It pays monthly, residually. You earn $20 a month per referral. If they stay, you earn again, and again, and again. That's not passive, it's persistent. It's the reward for showing up once and being remembered. You're not chasing new sales every day, you're stacking trust. You're building a base that pays you while you sleep, while you create, while you live. And that's why I chose HBA, because it's not just a funnel, it's foundation. Let's break down what happens after you join. You get instant access to the funnel builder, and I'm going to show you what that looks like right here. So as you can see, this is my funnel builder, and there's a lot of pages in here, okay? Video pages too, okay? You get training videos that walk you through setup, sharing, and scaling. You get a community that actually responds, not just hype posts. And you get a system that compounds even if you only share it once. You don't need a product, you don't need a following, you just need a place to begin. Watch the overview. Follow the steps, build your foundation. Okay, I'm going to show you why we are different and what I'm going to offer you, okay? This is actual, as you can see, it shows I'm logged in. I'm going to not log in. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. Alright, this is one of the reasons my team is different. We're going to give you the skills to rank on YouTube and even Google, okay? We're going to look for Affiliate Mentor. Okay, as you can see, I am not signed in. I'm going to look for Affiliate Mentor Review 2025, okay? Alright, so I'm going to only name team members that are on our team getting our training and what makes us different than everybody else. Because we're actually going to help you rank on YouTube and Google. So Michael De La Cruz on our team. Postcard Lifestyle on our team. Mr. Orange Dream on our team. Postcard Lifestyle again. Make Money Online with JJ, that's me. Mr. Orange Dream. Make Money Online with JJ, again, that's me. Another video by Make Money Online with JJ. Here's another one by me, okay? Mr. Orange Dream, Brian Zittleman, Mr. Orange Dream, Postcard Lifestyle. Okay, as you can see, we are dominating YouTube, and you can too. But not just you, other people you bring in will learn this system, and it will give them the training not only to turn $7 into up to $1,500, but also to rank on YouTube and Google, and more. Every step-by-step training thing they need to do every single day to keep improving, keep getting better, ranking, and building their email list, okay? And the ability to make up to $1,500 off of one-time $7. Even if you're only at $7 level, you can earn up to $1,500, okay? Here's another video, affiliate mentor compensation plan, okay? And then I'm going to show you how I'm helping my team, okay? So I'm only going to name people that are on our team. Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle, Mr. Orange Dream, Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle, and see, some of these things are 2 months old. Here's another Mr. Orange Dream, Michael De La Cruz, a 5-month-old video, still ranking on Google and YouTube, okay? And that's the power of YouTube and Google, is that is evergreen content. You don't have to keep on doing over and over again. You can earn from one video, and the more you do it, the more easier it is to rank, okay? Postcard Lifestyle, Make Money On with JJ, that's me. Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle. As you can see, it is working. People are dominating YouTube that are on our team getting our training. But I'm going to go even further and show you that I'm actually helping my team. Let me see if I can find the email. Give me a second. I'll be right back. As you can see, it says, John, congratulations. You've just earned a $50 Spark Matrix Cycle commission. You've also unlocked a new Spark training module, and another Matrix position will be processed shortly. Log into your back office for more details. Thank you, Affiliate Mentor. And we're going to look at what that looks like, okay? This is the Spark board, okay? It shows that I have John Solly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different members, okay? And as you can see, Cheryl Hanna and Bobby Nation are 2 members that I help get people. Okay, look, sponsor John Solly, sponsor John Solly. And then I'm going to go to Cheryl Hanna's board. And you can see she got 2 people from me. And Bobby Nation got 2 people from John Solly's sponsor, okay? So I'm actually helping my team. And this is what Simple Freedom Warriors, our page, custom page, looks like. You have a branded funnel. We show you exactly how to do it step by step. And all you gotta do is make a one-time video. We tell you exactly what to say. And then we put you in there and it plays once you just get into the funnel, okay? So you put your email address in there, blah, 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 your name. And this is what it looks like, okay? And what makes us different than others. This is not a page that a company page. This is something that brands you as the leader, and your team mates will be branded as the leader, okay? This is how to potentially get your first SFW sale in that 24 hours or less. And this will work with any system. Any system, whatever you're promoting, this will work with. Now, I personally am recommending HBA right now because it's residual income, okay? Now, if you tried programs before and it didn't work, that doesn't mean you're broken. It means the system wasn't built for you. This one is. It's quiet. It's simple. It's built for people who want freedom, not noise. You don't need to be flashy. You just need to be consistent. That's how quiet builders win. This isn't a shortcut. It's a reset for people who've tried it before. But people who want to build something real. This video is titled Home Business Academy Review 2025. Is it legit, worth it, and how much can you earn? Well, you can earn up to $25 per member residually. Okay, you have residual bills, right? You pay rent, you probably pay a car note, you may pay a sitter. These are bills that over and over, your electricity. Why, if you have residual bills, why wouldn't you want residual income? And for $25 a month, you can earn up to $20 on the first level. So that's 80% commissions. That sounds pretty good, right? 80%, okay? And it also feeds children, starving children, okay? They donate to charity, okay? So, welcome to Affiliate. Here's the fast way to start getting paid and move your way up. We want to help you make money before you start spending more money. Now, would we recommend that you actually brand yourself? Because this is how it works. If you start with a $7 level, you don't have any tools, and you want to earn from, work your way up from commission, from earnings, okay? We have a done-for-you sales link, okay? It's not going to take people to a funnel like this with your video on it, okay? Now, if you join HBA, which I recommend, it costs a little bit more, $25, but you can earn up to $20 residual commissions per member. So if you end up within a year, you have 50 members, that's $1,000 a month. And as the people stay on this with the system, you keep getting paid over and over and over again. So from one person, you're getting $20 a month. Over a course of a year, that's what, $240 a month per person. Okay? I'm sorry, $240 a year per person. 20 times 12 is 240. Sounds pretty good, right? Like, subscribe, and share with someone who's ready to build something that compounds. This is JJ Sully, aka John Sully, aka your friendly neighborhood Salaman. Don't delay. Get with Jay today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. You can do this.